How you doing, guys? This iona air conditioning and appliances. Well, I'm coming on this screen to let you know I'm a certified technician, EPA NIC certified. I also work on appliances, and I'm located in West Palm Beach, Florida. Um, West Palm Beach, Florida. 33407. Um, we do great work. Uh, we're serious about our work. Um, I've been doing this for about 7 years now. Went to school for about 2 years, so I'm certified. And we're just trying to give you honest work and daily work and satisfaction work. Um, Again, this is Iona Air Conditioning and Appliances. We have a notary right here, to let you know. Um, to back my words up. Satisfaction. And we just want, our customers to be happy,